Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rehan Wazir and I am a student of Rehani School Islamabad Great Foundation Lavasway. So today my 12th test talk. So Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I would like to share my thoughts on the inspiring TEDx talk to learn is to be free by Shamim Akhtar. The main message of this talk is that education is much more than getting good grades or earnings a degree. It is the key of to freedom. When we learn, we become more confident, independent, and capable of making better decisions in life. Shane Akhtar explained that learning gives us the power to overcome challenges and break the barriers created by fear, poverty, and ignorance. Education help people discover their true potential and create opportunities for themselves and their communities. Another important point is that learning never ends. It is not limited to school or universities. We learn through books, experience, conversation, and even from our mistakes. Every new skills or lesson make us stronger and wiser. The speaker also encourages us to stay curious and keep asking questions. Curiosity opens new doors and help us grow an individual instead of being afraid of failure. We should see it is a chance to learn and improve. This talk reminds us knowledge is something no one take away from us. It is lifelong campaign that help adapt to change and face the future with confidence. In conclusion, to learn is to be free. Teach us that education is the foundation of personal growth and freedom. By continuing to learn every day, we can achieve our goals, help others, and build a better society. Thank you for listening. Today, my 12th test all for watching. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad.